Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems from exercise 11.4. My dear students, all these questions depend on the algebraic expressions. Okay. Your first question is, take Sarita's present age to be y years. Take Sarita's present age to be y years. What will be her age 5 years from now? My dear student, in this question, Sarita's present age is y years. Now, your required question is, what will be her age 5 years from now? The meaning is after 5 years. After 5 years, what will be Sarita age? So my dear student, after 5 years, Sarita age will be y plus 5 years. Y plus 5 years. Okay. Now, what was her age 3 years back? The meaning is 3 years ago. 3 years ago, Sarita age was y minus 3 years. Okay. 3 years ago, Sarita age was y minus 3 years. Okay. Your third question is, Sarita's grandfather age 6 times her age. Sarita's grandfather age 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? In this question, as you are looking, Sarita's present age is y years. Now in this question we will find out Sarita's grandfather age. What is the statement? Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. So what is the age of her grandfather? The grandfather age will be 6y years. 6y years. Okay. Your next question is, grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is the grandmother's age? As you know very well, in this question, grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. And according to third statement, the grandfather age is 6y years and grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So grandmother age will be 6y minus 2 years. Okay. Grandmother's age will be 6y minus 2 years. Okay. Your next question is, Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Okay. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? In this question, as you know very well, Sarita's present age is y years and Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? My dear student, Sarita's father age will be 3y plus 5 years. Okay. Sarita's father's age will be 3y plus 5 years. Okay. Your next question is, all these questions depend on the algebraic expression. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. Now, the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b? In this question we will find out length of the rectangular hall. Okay. And breadth of the hall is b meters. So what is the solution? breadth of the hall is b meter, and length of the rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. So 3 times of breadth of the hall is 3b meters. Okay, and length of the hall will be 3b minus 4 meter. Length of the hall will be 3b minus 4 meters. Okay, now your next question is, a rectangular box has height h centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. My dear student, in this question, this is the rectangular box, and this rectangular box is in the shape of cuboid. Okay, now look here. According to statement, height of the box is h centimeter. This is the height. Height of the given box is h centimeter. Okay, and its length is, according to statement, its length is 5 times the height. So length will be 5 times the height, means 5 into h. So length of the given rectangular box is 5h centimeter. 5h centimeter is length of the rectangular box. Okay, and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. In this question, 5h is the length of the rectangular box. Okay, then breadth of the rectangular box will be 10 centimeter less than the length, and length is 5h. So breadth will be 5h minus 10. Breadth of the box is 5h minus 10 centimeter. So according to question, height of the box is h centimeter, length of the box is 5h centimeter according to statement, and breadth of the box is 5h minus 10 centimeter. Okay, my dear students, all these questions depend on the exercise, and all these questions depend on the algebraic expression. Okay, now question number 1D. Now look here. Meena, Beena and Lina are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead and Lina 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. My dear student, this is the word problem, and this word problem we will convert it to algebraic form. Okay, how? Look here. Suppose, what is the solution of the given question? Meena is at step S. Meena is at step S, and according to statement, Beena is 8 steps ahead. Beena is 8 steps ahead from Meena. So what is the algebraic expression? The meaning is position of Beena. Position of Beena is S plus 8. S, what is S? S is the position of Meena. Now in this question we will find out position of Beena. So position of Beena is S plus 8. Okay, and according to statement, Lina 7 steps behind from Meena. Lina 7 steps behind from Meena. So position of Lina will be S minus 7. Lina 7 steps behind from Meena. So Position of Lina will be s minus 7. Okay. Now again your next statement is, now look here, the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. The meaning is position of Meena is S. Position of Meena is S. So, and according to statement, the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than, is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. The algebraic expression is 4s minus 10. Okay, so the algebraic expression will be 4s minus 10. This is the required answer for required question. Now question number E is, a bus travel at v kilometer per hour. A bus travel v kilometers per hour. V kilometer per hour is speed of the bus. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. Question is saying bus is going from Daspur to Bispur at the speed of v kilometer per hour. Okay, the bus has traveled 5 hours. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 km away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. Now we will discuss about how can we solve this type of problem, and this is the word problem, and this word problem we will convert it to algebraic form. Okay, how? Look here, my dear student, suppose this is the first point, this is the point, and this is the second point, and this is third point. Okay, this is first point. First point belongs to Daspur. First point, this is A. First point, this is A. Point A belongs to Daspur, and this is point B. Point B belongs to Bispur. Now look here, point A belongs to Daspur and point B belongs to Bispur. Okay, now in this question we will find out the distance between from Daspur to Bispur. Okay, how? Look here, and speed of the bus is v kilometer per hour. Okay, now in this question we will find out distance traveled by bus in 5 hours. Distance traveled by bus in 5 hours. So you know very well distance equal to time into speed. Time is 5 hours and speed of bus is v. Speed of bus is v. So distance traveled by bus in 5 hours is equal to 5v kilometer. Again I will explain. Distance traveled by bus in 5 hours is equal to distance equal to time into speed. Time is 5 hours and speed of bus is v kilometer per hour. So distance traveled by bus in 5 hours is equal to 5v kilometer. Okay, 5v kilometer, this is distance traveled by bus in 5 hours. So bus will start from point A to point P. The question is, so from point A to from point P, distance traveled by bus is 5v. Distance traveled by bus in 5 hours from point A to point P, it is 5v kilometer. Okay, and according to statement from point P, Bispur is 20 km away. So now look here, from point B, Bispur is 20 km away. So your question is distance between from Daspur to Bispur. So from Daspur to point P, distance is 5V, and from point P to Bispur, distance between from point P to Bispur, this is 20 kilometer. Okay, so total distance from Daspur to Bispur is 5V plus 20. Distance from Daspur to Bispur is 5V plus 20 kilometer. Okay, so my dear student, this is the required answer for your required question. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.